Oh, that wasn't even recording?
Yeah. So guys, let's just clarify. We are not mad in the comment section because one of our subscriber called me my mahal. We're just making fun of you, like yeah, and you know
Fun
what?
with you, not of you, okay?
Yeah, because just like here, we are, you know, here in the Philippines also, if there's a couple and then they have their endearment, some also follow them. Like instead of calling their names, they call also the endearment thing.
Kind of like honey,
Yeah.
my
Yes.
love, things
Yes.
like that.
Yeah.
You know.
Just like for example, there is one couple. Their endearment is langga since they are Bisaya. Mahal in Tagalog and langga in Bisaya. And then everybody call him langga, call her langga, something like that. But there's nothing wrong with that. We're just making some, you know, fun in the comment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're
We're not mad.
You kept saying Mahal,
Yeah.
and I'm like, Mahal's my Mahal.
We're laughing in the bed.
You can't call Mahal.
Yeah.
This is my Mahal.
Yeah, it's
you
like
say-
that here also in the Philippines. Everybody call you if the couple they used to call mahal, everybody call you mahal. Yeah. So there's nothing wrong with that. So
Well,
that's it.
If someone looks at you and says Mahal, I'm thinking, I need to go punch the guy. You're telling me I'm not supposed to punch anybody if they call you
Of
Mahal?
course not.
How
Yeah.
am I supposed to go? Oh, she's your Mahal too? That's nice. When'd you guys meet? Is that what I should
Just
say?
like for example, we're heading to my hometown and then there's a checkpoint there and one police call they shouted at me like
Mahal kita.
Ma'am, mahal kita. See?
You're making fun of me because that's what the foreigners
Yes,
learn.
yeah.
It
Yes,
means
that's
I
the
love
only
you.
thing. Yeah.
So the
So-
cops were making fun of us.
Yeah.